Vijayadashami is one of the major festivals celebrated by Hindus. This festival occurs in the lunar month of Ashwayuja, which was around October. Long ago, there was a demon called Mahishasura. Mahisha means a bison. Mahishasura was given the name as he was born in the form of a bison.
Being a powerful demon, Mahishasura desired to conquer all the trees in the universe. He began to pray for Brahma to acquire a boon to fulfill his desire.
As his penance continued for years, despite of sun and storm, hunger and thirst, Brahma had to appear before Mahishasura. No man in the universe should be able to kill me, was the boon obtained by Mahishasura from Brahma, because he was confident that no woman can never fight with him.
Even the Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva were not able to restrain him. So they thought of finding a way to defeat Mahishasura.
They combined the strength together and created the goddess Durga. They have gifted their weapon to her, who's ready for a fight with Mahishasura with not just 2 but 18 hands. Vishnu has given his Sudarshan Chakra, Shiva has gifted his trident, and Indra was granted his Vajra to her. With such great weapons in hand, Durga mounted on a lion and started for a battle with Mahishasura. Mahishasura, so ready for the challenge, he attacked Durga with an army of millions of soldiers. They combined strength together and created the goddess Durga.
He himself was fought with her in form of lion, elephant, and finally as a bison. But Durga and the lion have torn down the army of Mahishasura into pieces. After a fierce battle that continued for 9 days, Durga finally killed Mahishasura. The gods have celebrated the occasion, which is now continued as Vijayadashami. While the war continued for 9 nights, the festival days of Vijayadashami was called as Navaratri. And as the victory was achieved, on the 10th day, it was also called Dussehra. In these festival days, Durga was worshipped in different avatars and attires. Dussehra is celebrated with jubilance at every place in the world where Durga is worshipped. Thank you, dear friends.